to discuss with your parents and ask them also what are the other things that you have in your neighborhood. Yesterday you told me some of the things that are there in your neighborhood. Yes? Now today we are going to read and see what else is there in the lesson. Right? So open your books to page number 18. Our neighborhood. Put your finger there, all of you. Hardik, have you got the book in front of you? Yes? Put your finger there. We see people, cars, buses, animals, plants, and shops around our house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. The area around our house, हमारे घर के आसपास का जो एरिया है उसको हम neighborhood बोलते हैं. We see many things in our neighborhood. Children, put your finger here and read. See, Hayat is reading with a finger there. So you all have to do. Put your finger there and read. Once again, I'm reading. Put your finger there, all of you. Shanvi, are you ready with your science book? Page number 18. Our neighborhood. We see people, cars, buses, animals, plants, and shops around our house. The area around our house is called our neighborhood. We see many things in our neighborhood. Now there's a picture given over there, children. You can see some children playing in the park. Then you can see the different places around the neighborhood. You can see a bank over there. See, a BANK bank is written over there with blue color. Then the next one is a post office. Then you can see some shops around. People are buying things from the shop. So this is neighborhood, children. हमारे घर के जो आसपास का एरिया है उसको हम neighborhood बोलते हैं. Now there's an exercise for you. What are the places you see in your neighborhood? And then it says a clean neighborhood looks beautiful. Clean neighborhood. जब neighborhood आपका साफ सुथरा है, आपकी सराउंडिंग साफ है तो अच्छा लगता है. उसके लिए आपको भी कंट्रीब्यूशन देना होता है. You have to maintain cleanliness around you. You have to see that you don't keep throwing things around and don't litter the place. You have to keep your neighborhood clean. And how can you keep your neighborhood clean? By throwing all the waste into the dustbin. कभी कभी क्या होता है, अगर पार्क में खेलने जाते हैं और साथ में कुछ खाने के लिए चिप्स या बिस्किट्स लेकर जाते हैं, खाने के बाद उसी जगह पर जहां बैठ के खा रहे होते हैं कुछ लोग वहीं पर रैपर्स थ्रो कर देते हैं. Is that the right thing to do, children? No, that's a wrong thing. Yes, you mustn't dirty the place. Wherever you are sitting, you must keep your surroundings, your place clean. Be it your house, be it your neighborhood, your school, on the road, anywhere. We must never litter the place. We mustn't throw anything on the road and make our surroundings dirty. We should keep our surroundings clean. Now, this exercise, can you see this box here? It says, what are the places you see in your neighborhood? You will do this on your own. Put over there HW. You will write the names of any three things. Any three things that you see in your neighborhood. Right? Got it, all of you? Aradha? Did you hear, Aradhya? How many things you have to write, Aradhya?
Yes, ma'am.
How many things you have to write that you see in your neighborhood? Any three things. All right? You have to write the names of any three things that you see in your neighborhood. Right? All of you got it, children? Give me a thumbs up. How do I know that you are hearing what I'm saying? All right. Moving to page number 19. Places around us. Now we are going to study the different places that you see in your neighborhood. Yesterday you had told me, कल आप लोगों ने बताया था कौन कौन सी places आपके neighborhood में है. So some of the places are given over here. Let's read on page number 19. Places around us. Put your finger there, children. We find many useful places in our neighborhood. Useful means जो हमारे काम की है. You know children, जब मम्मी पापा कहीं पे घर लेते हैं रहने के लिए तो वो सबसे पहले देखते हैं सराउंडिंग्स, नेबरहुड में सारी शॉप्स अवेलेबल हैं, बैंक्स हैं, हॉस्पिटल्स हैं, स्कूल है पास में, घर के सबसे पास कौन सा स्कूल है, ये सब चीज़ें पहले देखी जाती है. व्हेन यू आर टेकिंग अ हाउस यू सी द नेबरहुड, कौन कौन सी जगह है. नाउ सी सम ऑफ द प्लेसेस आर गिवन ओवर हियर. We go to a school to study. The first place is school. We go to a school to study. Next, park. There are some parks also in your neighborhood. We go to a park to play. Children go to the park to play. Next, you have hospital. We go to a hospital when we are not well. When we are sick, we go to a hospital. So we make sure that घर के पास में hospital भी होना चाहिए. Market. You have all the different shops over there. We go to a market to buy things. Hassan, why do we go to a market? Why do we go to a market, Omansh?
Shopping. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Hassan is answering. Okay.
To buy things.
To buy things. Yes, Hassan?
Ma'am, shopping.
Shopping. Okay, you go to the market for shopping. Okay, that's nice. Okay, Prashasti, why do we go to a hospital? Or rather, when do we go to a hospital?
Ma'am, when we are sick.
When we are sick. Okay, that's right. Hayat, why do we go to a park?
Park to play.
We go to a park to play. That's right. Very good. Hardik, why do we go to school? Hardik, think and tell. Why do we go to a school? स्कूल क्यों जाते हैं हार्दिक?
चैप्टर में पढ़ता था.
स्कूल क्यों जाते हैं हार्दिक? क्या करने के लिए? पढ़ाई करने के लिए. Yes, we go to school to study. That's right. Children, you know these simple questions जिसका आंसर आपको आता है उसके लिए मम्मी की तरफ देखने की जरूरत नहीं है, आपको अपने आप बोलना है. Okay? And you learn to speak. You don't have to keep your mouth closed. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Come to page number 20. It says check your progress. Check your progress means जो अभी तक आपने पढ़ा है उसको चेक करिए कितना आपको याद है. Number 1. We go to a park or bank to play. Think. We go to a park. Oblique, वो जो लाइन है उसको बोलते हैं oblique. We go to a park, oblique, bank to play. Which is correct, Ishanvi? Switch on your mic, Ishanvi.
Park, ma'am.
Park, that's right. Children, put a tick on park. All of you put a tick on park. Visual, the next one. We go to a pool, oblique, school to study. हम लोग स्टडी करने के लिए कहाँ जाते हैं? पूल और स्कूल. विजुअल, थिंक एंड आंसर. सोच के बोलिए. स्टडी करने, पढ़ाई करने कहाँ जाते हैं? पूल में जाते हैं या स्कूल? स्कूल. ओके, वेरी गुड. सो पुट अ टिक ऑन स्कूल. All right, Arav, the next one. We go to a market, oblique, park to buy things. We go to a market oblique park to buy things. Arav, where do we go to buy things?
The market.
Market, that's right. Very good. Put a tick on market, children. Shubh, the next one. Shubh, we go to a hospital when we are well or when we are sick. Well means हम ठीक हैं तब हम हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं, या जब हम sick हैं तब हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं.
Yes, ma'am.
Which is the correct one? We go to a hospital when we are well or sick.
Yes,
Shubh,
ma'am.
Shubh, put your thumb down. Yes, now open your mouth and answer. Well या sick, कौन सा आंसर करेक्ट है शुभ?
The hospital.
शुभ, ऐसे तो आप बहुत जोर से बोलते हैं, अभी आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही है. जब हम लोग सिक होते हैं तब हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं, या वेल मीन्स ठीक होते हैं तब हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं. When do we go to a hospital?
Ma'am, sick.
Sick. Okay, children, put a tick on sick and write learn near that exercise. Write learn, Learn, learn. Write over there learn, Learn, learn. Now, clean neighborhood. See the next thing, clean neighborhood. You can see that girl, she's putting the waste in the dustbin. Can you see the picture? We need to keep our neighborhood clean. Now put your finger there, I'm going to read. We should keep our neighborhood clean. We should not throw waste around us. हमारे आसपास हमें waste नहीं throw करना है. Throwing waste in the open makes our neighborhood dirty. It also makes us ill. If we are throwing all the waste around us, अगर हम अपने आसपास गंदगी करेंगे, कूड़ा फेंकेंगे, तो वो गंदा भी लगेगा और उससे हम बीमार भी हो सकते हैं. We can fall ill. Ill means sick. I-double-L, ill means sick. We can fall sick. How we can fall sick? All the breeze, when the breeze is blowing, all the dirt is coming to us. All the flies are sitting on those dirt, and same flies are coming in the house. They're bringing all the germs in the house. Yes? So we have to keep our neighborhood clean. Ronik, stop talking. Pay attention. Wali, pay attention. So we have to keep our neighborhood clean. We must throw waste in the dustbin. Very important. Remember, always the waste goes into the dustbin. Now you can see the picture. Two pictures are given here, children. Clean neighborhood, dirty neighborhood. Can you see the pictures in your book? Give me a thumbs up if you can. Yes, clean neighborhood, dirty neighborhood. Ria, which picture is looking nice? The clean neighborhood or dirty neighborhood? Ria, think and tell. कौन सी पिक्चर देखने में अच्छी लग रही है, जो क्लीन नेबरहुड है या जो डर्टी नेबरहुड है?
Clean neighborhood.
Clean neighborhood. Very good. That's right. So remember always to keep your neighborhood clean. Now see the next page. You have another beautiful picture there. We should keep our neighborhood green by growing plants and trees. You know, children, some of you who have gardens at home, you must take care of the plants over there very nicely. Enjoy the beauty of nature. We need to plant more trees. Trees keep the air fresh and clean. The trees, they keep the air fresh and clean. They make our neighborhood green. See? When you plant more trees, then your neighborhood looks nice. अगर आपके neighborhood में अच्छे से flowers है, trees है, अच्छा लगता है ना देखने में? It looks nice. So you must plant lot of trees. Now let's see what this green box says. Let's revise. Come to this green box. Put your finger there. Now one point I am going to ask you to read. So pay attention, all of you. Prashasti, read the first point.
The area around our home is our neighborhood.
Okay, the area. Prashasti, read again with me. The area around
The area around
our home
is
our neighborhood.
our neighborhood.
You don't pronounce it as our, you say our neighborhood. Okay? Our neighborhood. All right? Okay, very good.
Okay.
Next, Vinayak. Put your pencil down and read the next point. Put your pencil down, read the next point.
Clean.
We should
We should
keep our children, that word is pronounced as our. Don't say our.
clean.
We should keep our neighborhood clean. Okay, thank you, Vinayak. Visual, the next point. Visual, don't put your pencil in your mouth, okay? और थोड़ा ऊपर होके सीधे बैठिए. ये डस्टबिन नहीं है. Is this a dustbin, Visual? Visual, this is not a dustbin. No? This is not a dustbin, you know that. Okay, so please don't put your pencil, your finger, everything into this. Okay, don't do that. Come on, read the third point. We should read visual. Unmute yourself. Throw waste in dustbins. Now see, dustbin की spelling वहां पर DUS लिखा हुआ है. T is missing. Please put T over there. Dustbins. Settle that spelling, children. Dustbins. All right. The next point, Hayat. Hayat, read the next point. We should grow plants and trees in our neighborhood. Okay, Hayat, you are using a laptop or a mobile? You're using your mobile, your screen is tilted. आपकी पिक्चर बेटे ऐसे आ रही है. Okay, settle the screen. Turn the screen. All right, the last point. Manjeet is here. Manjeet, read the last point. Manjeet, are you there? Yes, read the last point. A clean neighborhood helps us to stay healthy. Okay, thank you. All right, children. Now let's come to the true and false. Let's see how many will answer this. Sakina, The first one, we live in a hospital. Is that true or false? We live in a hospital. Sakina, are you there? Sakina, are you there?
False, ma'am.
False. We don't live in a hospital, children. So put over there False. False. Write the full word. Don't just write F. Rudraksh, the next one. We should keep our neighborhood clean. True or false? Rudraksh, switch on a camera also.
True.
True. Spell it. True की spelling
T
बताइए.
R
Yes.
U E.
Very good. True. True. Children, all of you write. True. True. Are you writing it, Hassan? Hassan, are you writing the true and false answers? You are not writing it. No. I cannot see the pencil in your hand. I cannot see you writing. Where are you writing? Show me your book. Your mummy is sitting and writing for you. Take the pencil from mummy. You write it. पेरेंट्स जब तक बच्चे अपने आप करेंगे नहीं, कैसे सीखेंगे अगर आप लोग उनका काम करके देते रहेंगे. अभी स्कूल में होते तो सब लोग अपना काम खुद करते. लेट द चिल्ड्रन बी इंडिपेंडेंट प्लीज. नेक्स्ट नंबर 3. वैष्णवी, वी शुड नेवर ग्रो ट्रीज. हमें कभी भी प्लांट्स नहीं ग्रो करने चाहिए. ट्रू और फॉल्स? False. Okay. Spell false. Vaishnavi, is your camera off? Vaishnavi, I cannot see you.
Ma'am, my camera is on.
I cannot see you. Okay. Spell false.
False.
Okay, good. False. All of you write it there, children. False. All of you write, children. Shubh, the next one. Always throw waste into the waste bin. Always throw waste into the waste bin. हमें waste हमेशा waste bin और dustbin, waste bin को dustbin भी बोलते हैं. ओके, उसमें डालना चाहिए. मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए. मम्मी की तरफ मत देखिए. आपको पता है सेंटेंसेस ऑलवेज थ्रो वेस्ट इनटू द वेस्ट बिन. आप लोग सुन के आंसर करिए. सुनिए, सोचिए, फिर आंसर करिए. आप लोग सुनते हैं और उसके बाद मम्मी की तरफ देखते हैं कि मम्मी आंसर बताएंगी तो हम बता देंगे. मम्मी क्लासेस अटेंड कर रही है, मम्मी पढ़ाई कर रही है. मम्मी ने तो पढ़ाई कर ली जितना करना था बेटे. लिसन अगेन शुभ. ऑलवेज थ्रो वेस्ट इनटू द वेस्ट बिन. हमें वेस्ट जो होता है वो वेस्ट बिन में डालना चाहिए. ट्रू और फॉल्स? ट्रू मीन्स सही है, फॉल्स मीन्स गलत है. अब बताइए अपने आप.
Non-true.
Always throw waste into the waste bin. True. Tell me the spelling of true. शुभ, ट्रू की स्पेलिंग बताइए. सामने लिखा है वहां पर. TR शुभ, Give me the spelling. True. True.
Ma'am, RALS.
True की spelling हम पूछ रहे हैं. TRUE. Okay, children, write over there. True. All right. Kriday, the next one. Kriday, we go to
Yes.
the park to buy things. True or
False.
false? हम लोग पार्क में थिंग्स खरीदने जाते हैं.
False.
False. That's right. So put over there false. FALSE. Write it there, all of you.
FALSE.
Yes,
False.
thank you. Ronik, the next one.
Yes. Yes,
We
ma'am.
go to the school to study. We go to the school to study. True or false?
True.
True, that's right. We go to the school to study. All right, Shivansh, the last one. Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
We go to a market to buy fruits. हम मार्केट जाते हैं फ्रूट्स खरीदने के लिए.
True.
True. Okay.
TRUE.
TRUE. True. Very good. Now, children, put learn on that exercise. Put learn on that exercise. All of you put there learn. Now turn the page. Page number 23. Page 23. Can you see these two dustbin pictures here? Can you see the picture of the two dustbins, children? Give me a thumbs up. Okay. Now for homework, you will trace these two pictures and color them. You will trace these pictures first with the help of your pencil and then you will color these pictures. Alright? In the next science period, I am going to see this. You will color the pictures, you will trace them and then color them. Right? Now today is Saturday. You have only 2 periods. So you can enjoy, you can relax. Today I will be sending you the song of Old MacDonald also. You can listen to that song and enjoy yourselves. Today I am not going to ask anyone for their work also. आज सैटरडे है. आज हम किसी का काम भी नहीं मांगेंगे चेक करने के लिए. ओके, टुडे इज योर डे. यू कैन एंजॉय. राइट, वीकेंड. टुमारो संडे. Let's say our prayers and then we leave. Join your hands, all of you. Close your eyes. But before that, one thing. Monday, who's going to say the prayer?
Ma'am.
Just 1 minute. 1
Ma'am,
minute.
मैं करवा दूँ?
1 minute. 1 minute. Today, Inaya had said. So, Aradhya has already finished. Hayat, will you say the prayer on Monday? Hayat, have you learnt up the prayer? Hayat, can you hear me, child?
Ma'am, मैं बोलूँ?
Hayat,
Yes, ma'am.
Monday you will say the prayer. You have learnt the prayer.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I?
Hayat, can you hear me?
Ma'am,
Just wait, Ronik. Visual, just wait. I'm trying to go in the alphabetical order. Ronik, just wait. Hayat, Monday you will say the prayer. Yes? You're saying yes or no? No. Why you are saying no? You have not learned the prayer?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Shivansh, just wait, please. Hayat, you learn up the prayer and say it on Monday. All right? Monday you are going to say the prayer, Hayat. Children, Monday Hayat will say the prayer. Now join your hands, close your eyes. Oh God, thank you for helping us to acquire wisdom of your creation during this week. Thank you for allowing me to know who I am and what are my strengths and weaknesses, and helping me to advance one more step in my precious life. May the good Lord help me and guide me on my way back home and every day of my life. This I ask for your love's sake. Amen. So, thank you, children. Have a nice day and have a nice weekend. Enjoy your Sunday. Thank you.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye,
Ma'am, bye,
children.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.